Very good. I started recording, guys. So already we discussed what is the service desk. So what is a service desk? It is a single point of contact, okay, between users or customers and IT employees. What service desk will do it? So it will do. It understand service desk person should understand customer issues or a customer requirement. So issue is a problem, then we can understand what is requirement. For example, I want to change my internet connectivity, or maybe I want to change my password. I want to change my router. I want to change my email ID. Requirements. Issues are requirements. Give the support, give the initial support to the customers. A customer required an information, provide an information to the customer. Any issues, if you have to give the initial support, okay, in the initial support, issue is not resolving, escalate the issues. Manage the ticket, okay, manage the ticket by creating the ticket, raising and monitoring ticket and closures of the ticket and survey. Satisfy the customer needs and IT provider objects. Okay, so these are the main part of service desk. So who is the customer? The customer who buys a goods or a services from the shop or a business. Like you take a internet connectivity, you are the customer. Okay, you put a money in your bank, that is your for bank, you are a customer. You purchase a biscuit packet or a t-shirt or maybe something like toothbrush. You are a customer. Okay, your organization, your organization take a service from like internet service from an organization, or maybe application support, or maybe a shop. If you go to the shop, there is a computers do billing kind of stuff, billing counters. So they are using computers and billing software, right? Someone is developed the billing software. The development company is service provider. Then shop people are using the software is the customer. So like a different type of customer, internal and external customers. So also we can call the customers as users and clients also. Okay, so how to reach the service desk? How service desk person get to know there is an issue, there is a requirement. So the service desk person will get to know from the customer directly, approachment, or maybe there is a call to the service desk, or through email, or apps, websites, softwares like a BMC, Helix, ServiceNow, GLPI, different applications, self-help portals, and monitoring tools. Through the monitoring tools, it will generate events and alerts. Anything goes wrong, like a warning or error is occur, it's generate alert. Alerts is sent it to the service desk person. They will look into that issue and create a ticket and raise the ticket or escalate the ticket to the particular team. This is what we discussed before. Okay, so this is just even at not even at 10 minutes. Okay, not in a 10 minutes. And in the service desk, we use different technologies based on your work. Okay, events, alerts, incident, workaround, and problem. No, then I like this. This is workaround and a problem. So there is a dot. I missed this dot. Can we put this dot or not? Like we can see. See, it is this dot only. Otherwise, you can put all these things to the dots. Yeah, very good. Event, alert, incident, workaround, problem, and change and service request. And of course, there is a one more point is that is a access management is also there. So the access point is also there. We didn't put it, but I will put it here. So try to get what is access management. So here it is, the definitions of these things. Event, any detectable occurrence that has a significant for a IT infrastructure management. Alert, a warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed or failure is occur. Incident, unplanned interruption. Unplanned interruption to the IT services called a incident. Problem, unknown root cause of one or more incident. Change, it can be like a upgradations, updates, replacement, change of the service, change of a component to this comes under change. Any standard change it is will come up. Service request is a request from users for information, advice, standard change for access to the IT services. I want to make it is a little larger than it is not become larger it is. Why this is running little wide? Okay. Then. Wow. Again, this started a nuisance. Then how it is apartment people are allowing that one, I don't understand. The people putting it easy. Okay, I think you can able to see it much little bigger. Okay, so any detectable occurrence. What is an event? Any detectable occurrence. For example, so these are the symbolic things of the event kind of stuff. In event is occur. What is the event is occur, guys? Very simple. It is you connect a pen drive. It shows yes, pen drive is connected. You eject the pen drive. Pen drive is ejected. I will show you one thing. Like here it is. I will show from here. This PC. See my C drive. It is showing red color. It means it's a kind of warning here to understand it's a disk is almost full. There is very less space is available. More than 80% of disk is full. Okay, so the percentage like warnings, information, errors, okay, and successful. Yeah, here it is the point yeah, why it is involved here. Oh, that's it. That's it. This is not a good idea. I think I put a lot of things here in middle. 1 second, sorry, 1 second, 1 second. Service desk, PPT. Last batch, okay, only one session I have taken on service desk. Even that is also I take a lot of things, right? Maybe orally I explain. This is the original PPT, means not original one. So I have a 3 PPTs, 3 or 4 PPTs are there. This is for while taking class also I created this event. Okay, I will add this information there. Guys, what is an event? Event is any detectable occurrence. Any detectable occurrence. What is any detectable occurrence? Means you connect a pen drive connected successfully. It's not that point, it is. Yeah, it is giving again a problem. Yeah, very good. Now it is working. So not required always all the things should be like this. So point is here, it's about event. Okay. So for example, what is this events? We should understand. You went to a shop, you paid an amount, right? So we'll pay an amount, right? So Google Pay or Phone Pay, right? Paytm, what you will get it? Transaction successful. You will fail to pay. Transaction failure or insufficient amount. For example, in your bank, you have only 50 rupees. Okay, you want to pay something more than 50, insufficient balance, right? Mostly I will get it not from bank, my wallet. So when I try to pay with the wallet, insufficient balance. Okay, insufficient balance. So transaction successful. Transaction failed. Something went wrong. So this is all events only. Insufficient balance. Same thing. Server is down. So you went to the shop, like they said, yes, server is down. You went to the bank or a reservation center. Now we are not going to the railway station for booking a ticket, right? So earlier days we go that server is down. Internet is down. Network is disconnected. Issues. Network back online. So you got a internet. Power down, right? It is network back online. Now internet is connecting. Disk online. So your connected disk, now it is disk is online. Disk failure. Disk is full. Memory full. Server is very busy. Network is slow down. These are all different type of events occurs for a device or entire infrastructure also. So wherever it is occur, so commonly issues. So we have to create either 3 or 4 categories of it, like information. Successful events, mostly it's information, like you have taken a backup successful, backup successful. You have taken a backup successful. Good event, right? Information. You connected disk is online. Good, disk is online. It's information. Transaction successful. Information. Login successful. Information. Disk is full. Warning. Disk is full. Warning. System reaches. I will show you here. It is my task manager. So look at here. This is the process. CPU showing a 87%. Now it is done. Okay. Or your CPU showing a 100% utilization, 90% utilization. For 1 second, guys, I will close those doors. They're making a lot of noise. Okay, sorry. We'll see if we're still more. Okay, sometimes your disk is more 100% utilization. Memory, okay, low memory available. It is also it is a warning symptoms. Okay, network is disconnected. Network is disconnected. Okay, router is disconnected. Internet is disconnected. Okay, it's showing a cross mark like. These are all comes under errors, downs. disconnections, failed. These words we are use it at errors. Critical situation. Critical situation. It is the criticality is basically we use the word at impacts. Impact. So I will try to draw one picture. Last time one guys asked me, then I realized this is a picture is more helpful. Okay, maybe you understand or not, no problem. Just try to get it. Okay. So this is the PC. This is the PC. I have a PC, sir. This is a switch. This is how it is connected like this. Okay, and I have a wire just connected to here, and this wire is connected to this switch, and this another wire is connected to a router. Oh, sorry. Okay, and it is connected to outside. Now we'll see. We'll see the impact of the issue. Impact. This is disconnected. What is the impact? This wire got a problem. How many system will suffer with that one? Only one wire. How many systems are suffered? Tell me. Only one wire, one system only. The impact is very less, right? Impact is very less. Okay. Impact is very less because only one PC is suffered. This recording is going on and the mic is okay. Only this problem, right? Not big problem. Think this wire is disconnected. Now how many PCs will be disconnected in the network? Okay, this is not getting internet, this is not getting internet, this is not getting internet, this is not getting internet. See, this is also one single wire. This is also a one single wire only. If in case this wire is disconnected, what is the impact? These PCs not getting internet. Understand, guys? So it is not always a single estimation. Some people put it a estimation like that. So they said, yeah, it is just a single wire. A single wire means less impact. Whole switch means more impact. So for example, this is a single wire, less impact. Okay, so less size, only one PC not getting connected. If this router, if this switch is down, multiple PCs are affected. Not always required. Even this wire is disconnected, also will getting a problem. Okay, so that's the point I'm trying to say is, guys, understand the impact and criticality of the situations. So mainly three parts of events will occur. Information is a general thing happens. That is the information. Warning means information mostly about a successful events. Warnings is about to take care. It's not still an error, but you have to take care before it is problem will occur. Errors are usually like a issue. Error is actually an issue like a disk failure, internet disconnected, or a server down, system down, service down. That is. So here it is. I given a link. What is this link? We'll open this link. This is Op Manager to understand how the event monitoring is there, so you can able to see. There's a two things: login as a admin, login as an operator. First, I'll choose login as a admin, English language. I'll do it. This is forwarded by one of our trainer, Sai processor. So he given this directly. So instead of creating an environment, so if you want to work with the events and understand the events occurring and impacts and their other information, so we'll get it. I use English language, right? Why it is become in the Chinese language? I use English language, not Chinese language. This is English only, but why this is entirely Chinese? Yeah, now it is English. It is a business view. Business view. So this is your organization. So you can see your organization. This is edit. This is another one. Expand. So this is your organization and different location. This is Africa, South America, Australia, and South America. It is the bottom here. It is. Okay, North America, Asia, India, like this. We can go for it. Okay, and also it is showing how many are shut down, link status, traffic load, down, others, unmanaged. These are the things. So I'll click on here. Okay, so this is a total status. So how many servers are there? So it is showing directly like servers, 38 alarms, 28 devices, 12 problematic devices, routers, switches, desktop, firewalls, domain controllers. Of course, load balancers good, accelerator, wireless, UPS is okay, good, but printers are having a problem. Okay. Number of devices out of 28, 12 get a problem. Out of 6, 1 get a problem. Okay. So like this, we can able to understand, depends upon where is the issues. And here it is, the heat map. So more red is more danger, right? So that's clear one is green. So 99% it is a clear. So problematic is very less. So then we can understand. But attention required is yellow. So then the person has to go and check this thing, this devices. We can get that information also here. Unmanaged, we cannot able to manage like unmanaged switch type. Critical situation, these are the under critical situations. Next, the recent alarms. There is a 10 alarms. These are the alarms. So some SNMP related issue is raised. So this is a device by availability. So we can check the device is available or disconnected. Okay. IP availability. So how many transient used? Okay. 10 subnets to occupied IP address. See, like we can get that enter a proper view, means one by one and in a group. So we can understand what is the status of our, this is tree view. We can understand the status of the complete organization infrastructure from here. You want to go by one. I want to go by network. All network are routers or switches where I want to check it. I'll go to all network devices. That is servers, virtualization, storages, alarms, right? So it is this entirely network related, not dashboard. It is not everything, only network related. Out of that one, see, this is a clear. There is a critical. You want to go to this critical part and you can try also. I'm going to only routers. 2 are in a critical situation. So I can understand. Clear means okay, but this is the critical. But I am getting only one in this red color. No problem. So I'll check it again. So this is a RAID device, Synology RAID device, RAID related issues. Status critical. Click here to change the critical situation, availability, packet loss. So it means connectivity, no problem. Connectivity, no problem. Any disk related issues, LANs related issues, storage info and monitoring. So find out where is the exact issue area. So then we can able to suggest some solutions. So we can able to find the related thing. It is showing a critical but not showing any downtime kind of stuff. Okay, alarms. You can activate alarm or an event log alarm, sys log alarm, web alarm. Like this, you can create alarms, maps of your infrastructure. Okay, applications, workflow, new workflow. It is I click on not all workflow. I have to click on all workflow. So this is the workflow designing. Okay, what are is devices you have? What are the things you have? Then you want to check for one project. There is a client. Okay, you are providing a service. So you need a two servers, and there is a router and some protocols, port numbers. There are using virtualization environment. So you have to create a one workflow. Make sure that that point is working good or not. Okay, so like that we can try it. These are also many things: monitoring, performance monitoring, application monitoring, Windows services, VMware events, process, files, folders, servers monitoring, URL monitoring, network path, event log rules, general setting, discovery, configuration, notifications, all servers, physical servers, Windows server, Linux servers. Okay, so you can try anything like any column, any attention requirement. You can check it. So how this environment is look like. Even if you don't understand, it's not a problem. Why? Guys, environment, the way you look at something, if you are habituated, then you will understand later. You will not required to understand immediately. Okay. Okay. So once go through this one also. This link, how to open the link is mentioned here. If you want, you can try it on your own also. Okay, guys, this is about a event. What is an event? Any detectable occurrence. What is an event? If you do anything or if your system is going on, infrastructure is running, is something, a change is occur. A change is occur. That change must be recognizable change. A transaction is successful. Backup successful. Okay, device is online, or maybe a device is full, or device is failed. Disk is failed. Disk is full. Disk is online. Okay, these are all events only. In event, we have mainly three things: information, warning, and error. Yeah, this is about a monitoring part. That is yeah. Okay, I think I have to develop all these things. But do you have a time? Yes, little bit time is there. Guys, look at here. Alert. What is a alert? Alert. A warning that has a threshold has been reached, something has changed, or failure has occurred. A warning that a warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed, or failure has occurred. When you do event monitoring, something is changed. I've opened one website, right? So that is, this is op manager. So any issues occur. Suddenly my disk is full. Alert will be generated. Alerting system. Okay. So immediately you have to take care of why alert is occur. Okay. A notification. Alert is nothing but like a notification. Pen drive is connected. Internet is disconnected. Internet is disconnected. Server is down. Service is down. Disk failed. Disk failed. Okay. Disk failed. So any warning or error occurs. So in an event, there is a three things are there. I said information is there. But very important to take care, immediately take care thing is warning or error. So any warning or error is occur to inform to the people who's watching. So there, this event thing, this the monitoring will generate alert if any warning or error or anything changes, immediately alerting system. So event is whatever it is occur, it is like a log sheet type. But alert is not like that. It is to notify the people any changes occur, any failure is occur, any warning is occur, alert system is working. Incident. So this is different. Again, event alert different from incident. Incident is notifying there is a issue is occur or there is a warning is occur. Notifying and not only just notifying, take caring. Take caring. What is this notifying and take caring? So we'll see. Unplanned interruption to the IT services. Unplanned interruption to the IT services. What is unplanned interruption to the IT services? Called incident. Suddenly something is occur. Like you are going to office. Bike puncture. Bike puncture. What happened? An incident. Incident is occur. Then what you will do it? You'll try to resolve it. You try to solve the problem, right? Issue. So that is called incident. Server is down. Incident is occur. You notify an incident is occur. Next step is to resolve the issue. Server is down. Service down. Why service down? Why server down? Okay. Why server is down? Why service is down? Okay. We'll see. One example. This is a server, server 1. This is a server. For example, it is a web server. And this PC is accessing a website from there. This PC is accessing. Server is good. We are able to access, right? That is called as server is live. PC can able to access. For example, server is down. Server is down. So you cannot able to access. So server down. Then service is also down. Server down. The service is also down. Understand? Server down, service down. If server is down, service is down. Point number 1. Don't worry. It is there are 3 points. Point number. Next, server is running. Server is running. There is some issue with your network at your side only, but you are unable to access. Okay, or maybe server is alive, but only this particular service having a problem, or maybe because of firewall problem, maybe because some virus problem. You are unable to access, even the server is alive. Means server is there, but service problem. Second one. In generally, server down, service down. Now server is available, but service is not available because some issues there. So server is alive. It does not mean service is also alive. There is a possibility. Third one. Third one. Look at here, guys. I have another server. This is also connected in the network. Good. And this is my server 2. This is my server 2. But this is a server, actually a replica server type. Replica means like a mirror, right? Replica means it's like a mirror. But originally, the wording is high available, or a fault tolerance. High available. The wording is high available, or we can say fault tolerance. Fault tolerance. What is the word? These things we'll see. In case my server is down, then service is also down, right? Server is down, service is down. Okay, but in this case, it is not like that. If server is down, no problem. I'm getting a service from this S2. Both are maintaining same data, same service level. I'm not getting a service from S1 because S1 is down, so I cannot able to get a service. But I am getting a service, same service from S2. How it is possible? To make them high available. This kind of service we call it as a high available. It means server is down, but still service is available. That is called a high availability. Yes, when you are working or when you are developing an infrastructure, the first important of the infrastructure is high availability or a fault tolerance. High availability or a fault tolerance. Why cloud computing is more popular than any other services, like a Windows servers came into market, Linux servers are came into market, networking is came into market. But when the cloud is came into market, there are a lot of doubts, lot of challenges, but still why cloud? Because of always available. High availability of server is possible without investing more money to achieve it. A lot of benefits are there, but the key is high available. So server is down, still we can able to access the service. That is called high availability. Point is a server is down or a service is down? Is a network is disconnected? Disk is offline, VPN disconnected, unable to send a mail, you forget a password, unable to log in, PC is not working, internet is not working. This kind of complaints, we call it as a incident. My server is not working. Incident. Unable to access the server. Incident. Printer is not working. Incident. Internet is disconnected. Incident. Disk is become offline. A disk failed. Incident. Okay. So if incident is occur, what to do? That is called incident management. You have to go and fix it. Alerts events only for notification purpose, but what is notification? It will notify to the service desk. The service desk will make that issue as an incident. Okay, note down that issue as an incident. The notification is there, so the notification is, they notify as an incident. Okay, so what is an incident? Unplanned interruption to the IT services called an incident management. Okay, an incident is occur, what to do? We have to go and fix it. First fix the incident to not make it as more impact. To not make it as a more impact. When a server is down or a service is down, when a server is down or a service is down, first of all fix it. What are the issues there? Find it why issue is there and fix it. Make it sure it working immediately. That process we call it as a workaround. Okay, we choose workaround. If incident is occur, we choose workaround. Means overcome the issue. An issue is occur. Client is given like my laptop is not working, my desktop is not working, and fix it. Go and fix it. So that is called a workaround. Okay, guys, up to alert, incident, and event. Okay, I have only 10 to 15 minutes only, so I will explain because I have to attend a meeting today. just schedule. Okay, the next word is problem. What is the problem? Unknown root cause of one or more incident. Okay, unknown root cause of one or more. Unknown root cause of one or more incident. Exactly say. I actually have a story is there, so I will tell a story. But this is a very good diagram. I'm removing it. The story is for a problem and incident differences. This is very useful. I have a desktop in our organization. Really, it has happened. So that's what I'm telling. All real-time example means all these examples only. So it's okay, no problem. This is a hard disk and this is a computer. This is the motherboard. There is a connection from motherboard to hard disk. And there is a connection from SMPS to the hard disk. Power supply is there. System is running, happy. Not at a big deal. System is running. Okay. So this is the monitor. We are connected and it is running. Good. Now, usually some people, mostly the girls in our place, because it is one small problem in this system is if they kick this system, what they happen, there is a loose connection, so it will be stop working. So what happened? Someone is there. Okay. So we'll take a name or no name. So this is a person working on this system, lab, doing lab. Suddenly system is stop working. Suddenly system is stop working. So what I have to do? I'll in this person inform to the service desk. In generally service desk, but in my place, it's means where I working the location. We don't have any specific service desk. I am there. So what I will do it? So I'll take it like a this is the incident. What occur? System is stop working. What happened? Incident. Incident is occur. Incident is occur. Then what I will do? Go and fix it. First understand incident is occur. System not working. Incident is occur. So it is notified. Then I go and fix it. So I open the cabinet, check the cables, and reinsert the cable. Remove the cables. Reinsert the cable. Issue is resolved. Guys, understand first point. What is incident and resolved? Incident is occur. Now it is resolved. Next, second one. Okay, not second one, not second one. This incident occur and it is resolved, right? So I said incident is occur. Now it is resolved. After a few days, same incident again is telling my system is not working. I check it, same problem, and I connect and disconnect all the things. It is working. And again, after a few days, again I got same issue. Again I resolve the issues. It's a multiple repetition of same incident. Incident is same incident is occurring. Or multiple areas, same incident is occurring. That is another important is in a multiple areas, same incident is keep occurring. Okay, in multiple areas, same incident, or for one area, incident is repetitively occurring. Repetition of incident or multiple incidents occur in a multiple places. So initially it is an incident. Now in these cases, we consider this incident as a problem. Okay, we consider this incident as a problem. Okay, so every time incident will occur, there is no problems at all. Okay, incident should be considered as a problem. So what is the use of this problem? So root cause, find out the root cause of this incidents. Either it is a multiple incidents or a repetitive incident. Find out the root cause of the incident. Once you find the root cause of incident, you will know how to fix it. Once you fix the incident, you don't get a incidents again and again. You don't get a incidents again and again. A severity of incidents will reduce. So I consider this incident as a problem because I am getting this issue again and again and again. I consider this one as a problem. So what I've done, so I made this as a problem. I went to this cabinet, I searched where is the exactly problem, and there is a hard disk loose contact. What I have done, I removed this loose cable. I change, remember what I have done? I change new cable. Okay, I brought a new cable, I changed the cable. So it's a cable problem. Then what I done? I change the cable, then problem is solved. So the severity of these incidents are reduced or null. So that is the difference between incident and problem. Guys, anything is occurs, unplanned interruption is occur. Server down, service is down, network is disconnected. Okay, system is stop working. These are all comes under incidents only. The severity of incidents, multiple incidents, or repetition of incidents. Okay, multiple incidents, same incidents, or a repetition of incidents. Then we have to consider incident as a problem. To what is the problem? The problem will find a complete solution. Once you resolve this problem, you may not get a incidents again. You may not get an incident again, or a number of incidents will be reduced. Sometimes it is required to do the change management, like by changing something, the problem may solve. For example, if you change your engine oil, problem is solved. You may require to change something like your bike tire to change, then problem may solve, right? Changing, simply changing. RAM changing, hard disk changing, motherboard changing, screen changing, mouse changing, so all changes only. Simply you can able to understand. Issues occur, we take it as an incident. So whenever there is an incident, we have to take it as an incident only. We fix the incident, so the issue is solved. But after some days or sometimes, after some time, issue occurs again. So consider incident as a problem. Issue occur to find a root cause, solve it permanently. We consider issue as a problem. Once problem is solved, one of the number of incidents reduce. To solve the problem, we need a required change. Then we'll go to the change management. Guys, I'm explaining. So last batch, I think for that N4 batch, I may not explained it. I've taken only one day for a service desk, but I repeatedly telling service desk and definitions. But this is I don't give that chance. I have a little 5 minutes time is there, so only few definitions. One is a change. Okay, I explained the this issue, right? I explained this issue. The same issue I have written in the thing. Okay, so you can try. Example: PCA stop working incident. Disconnect a power cable. Check the PC stop system connections, SMPS, hard disk. Okay, RAM, switch, front panel, disconnect back panel, everything. Connect the power card system. Check working or not. It is working fine. After 3 days, again it is came. After 4 days, it is came. Now I consider this issue as a problem. Find out the root cause of the issues. I found it. The hard disk cable is loose connection. I change the hard disk cable. So then so the issue is not occurring again. Problem is solved. Problem is solved. Like that, guys. You can take any examples. Any example, not required the same example. I'm giving this example for easy to understand, but you can take any example. So what is the incident and what is the problem with an example? Try to explain with an example, so then it is give you more better. Next one is a change. So we'll go to the change management. Okay, so here it is, lot of space. Okay, this is the change management again. What is the change? Change is either upgrade, update, replace. Like I have a 4 GB RAM, I added a 8 GB RAM. Okay, I have a 4 GB RAM, I add a 8 GB, then I become a 12 GB RAM. It is upgrade or update. Okay, for example, I have a PC. The PC required a cable change, or maybe my RAM is damaged. I replace the RAM with a new RAM. That is also replaced. I have a 8 GB RAM not working. I replace with a new RAM. Replace. Okay. Operating system updates. Operating system updates. Application updates. Upgrades. I have a Windows 10 Pro. I upgraded to Windows 10 Pro. I have an operating system Windows 8. This laptop came with a Windows 8. 8 to 8.1. 8.1 to Windows 10. That is called upgradations. To upgrade or replace, check the compatibilities to check depending changes. Also, sometimes there is a dependency changes are there. So there is a CMDB and CAB change advisory board is there. When you are doing any changes, whether it is updating or upgrading or replacement, you have to take the permission before you do it. Another example here I have written is I want to upgrade my processor from i3 processor to i5 processor. Okay, so because and it is depends upon your motherboard and my budget also. Because i3 processor I purchase that is around 7,000. That is no graphic kind of stuff. Okay, so I have to purchase a additional graphic card. Now I want to go to i5, then I have to put 12,000 money on it, right? So i3 can return, right? So then I have to put aside of that processor and purchase a new one. So again, I have to invest on a i5 processor. That's the problem. For example, I have a 50 Mbps internet speed. I want to upgrade. I want to upgrade to the 100 Mbps. Will increases, cables will be maybe required to change, my Wi-Fi router may be required to change. Even myself, I ask my internet service provider. So I'm using N300 model Wi-Fi router. I ask him to upgrade 100 Mbps instead of 50 Mbps. He asked you have to upgrade your router to the AC 750 or AC 1200 model, and the difference cost you have to pay. Initially I paying for this one, I have to pay for this one and also additional amount of this one. Guys, understand the change can be anything. There is a two different type of changes are there. Yeah, it's a 6 o'clock. Whether meeting is there or not, there are no information. We'll see. Yeah, I will finish this in a 5 minutes. Because only one is very important left, that is called a service request. In a changes also we have a emergency change and a normal change. What is emergency change? A disk is failed, you have to replace it. RAM failure, replace it. Switch failure, replace it, right? So any failure is occur, so immediately to solve the issue you have to replace it. Normal changes, updates, upgrades, right? I have a 16 GB RAM. I want to upgrade to 32 GB RAM. It is not emergency. So you have to check the compatibilities, test it, take the information from inform to the cab and also get the suggestions from the cab. We have to take a permissions, budgets, dependent changes. Also, it is required. So here it is. I explained change dependency. So I want to change from 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps. What are the things are there? Yeah, someone sending a message. Not here. Yeah, here it is. I think status call is ready. Everybody joined. Sorry, I will join in there. Okay. This is about a change, guys. So dependency changes. Yeah, this is a service request. This is the last part. What is a service request? Service request can be a change. Service request can be asking for a change. Asking for a change, updation, upgradation. I want to increase my bandwidth. I want a VPN access. I want a printer access. I want some information. I want to change my password. Okay. So these are all comes under service request. So anything service desk person received. Okay. Is it an incident? Is it a problem? Is it a service request? Is it a service request for a change? We should understand. Okay, and based on that we have to create a ticket. Okay, guys, understand the service desk and the service desk main definitions: event, alert, incident, workaround, problem, and change and service request. Anyone, please? Okay, I'm stop recording.